If you're looking for your cPanel login details or your quick start guide, they will have been emailed to the address assigned to your hosting billing profile. So you may want to quickly double check your inbox and your spam or junk folders just to be safe. If you have a shared hosting package, you can also log into the cPanel right from your Namecheap account once the package has been activated. To start with, you should be logged into your Namecheap account panel. Then, you need to open the Domain List tab on your left. Set up the All Products filter, not just domains, over on the right. From here, the simplest way is to hover your mouse over the hosting icon and click Go to cPanel. And you're done! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them under this video, or check out our knowledge base at Namecheap.com for more tips and support.